The Philippine Reclamation Authority faces criticism from environmentalists for saying in a video that mangroves can be relocated if they block a reclamation project.
Yung mga mangroves na sharing bahay ng mga isda, pwede rin itong mailipat kung ito ay masatakupan ng isang pagtatambak ng lupa at mas marami pa siguro sa itatanim natin sa paligid kapag ang reclamation ay nakumplito na.
The video is part of the PRA's response to backlash after it posted, then deleted, a call for lease or joint venture proposals in the Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park. The park is a protected area and Ramsar site. Youth environmental organizations warn that removing mature mangroves could harm the ecosystem even more. They add, planting activities do not guarantee mangrove seedlings will survive. Before the video, the PRA released a statement saying regulated development is allowed in protected areas. The Global Mangrove Alliance in the Philippines calls on the Department of Environment and Natural Resources to clarify that the Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park is not open for development.